What is going on, guys? Today we are bringing you a video about our signals channel, and I've had a lot of messages recently about the signals channels and if they're beginner friendly. So I just wanted to make a quick video on that and explaining how we do things over here in the signals channel and how you can get access to that, right? So basically, the signals, of course, are very beginner friendly. All you need to do is have an account open, right? So you need to choose a broker that you like. There's some good brokers out there. I recommend FP Markets. That is the broker I use. They have very tight spreads. I'm no way affiliated with FP Markets, but they have real tight spreads. It's a regulated broker, and I've been using them for the past few years, and they're really good. So that is a broker you could potentially use, FP Markets. And so you need to have an account open, and you need to have deposited money into your account to start trading, right? Then you can come onto our signals channel once you buy a membership. And by doing that, you can join the Discord down below in the description, or I'll put the link straight to the website. But you want to go to our website. You want to sign up here. Blah blah blah. Right? This is because I'm already signed in. But here you would have a button say join now. You would join. You would get access to our signals, and then you would get access to these channels right here. And then all you want to do is at 3 p.m. every single day, Australian Eastern Standard Time, I will post my signals for gold and GJ, as you can see right here, 3 p.m. This is a gold signal, and basically I will just post this chart, and this is today gold setup. As you can see, we're looking at sales, so you can see gray is the stop loss, blue is the take profit or the in profit. So you can see all you got to do then is open this chart. We have all levels provided. You can see right here, stop loss 1966.352. We have entry 1958352. We have take profit 1 and take profit 2. All you have to do is just copy these levels into your trading account, because we use buy and sell stops, and that's it, right? And again, here's take profit 1 being hit right here, and then take profit 2 being hit down there, right? So you can easily follow along with these signals. Like I said, all I do every single day is post the setup right here. Here we can see we have GJ, we have stop loss level, right? You just type in that in your broker. We have entry, we have take profit 1, we have take profit 2, and you just copy these levels. Very simple, very beginner friendly. And here we can see take profit 1 getting hit. So yeah, again, as you can see, all signals being posted, right? We have entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, right? Boom, take profit 1 hit. Same thing again, right? We have entry. Sorry, where is it? Here. Right, there's the setup. We have a stop loss, entry, take profit 1, take profit 2. And all you have to do is just copy these levels, right? Copy these numbers into your broker on your account, and that's it. Very simple. Follow the trades on GJ, follow the trades on gold. And yeah, that's that. Very beginner friendly. If you haven't traded before, you can come straight in, right? Set up your broker, copy these levels into your broker, and you're away. Very simple. And if you're a more of an advanced trader, you've been in the trading industry for a while, you know what you're doing, you can come in here, copy the level straight away, and apply this into your account. So yes, my signals are very beginner friendly. It's very easy to follow along. All you got to do is purchase your membership, and you're away. You can also purchase the course and learn how I find these signals myself. It's all in the Discord, and it will all be in the description below. Completely up to you. I don't mind. But yes, these signals are very beginner friendly, very easy to follow along. Like I said, open a broker, deposit some money into whatever broker you want, and then all you got to do is just copy these levels right here into your broker, into your account, and place the trade. Very simple. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.